Hey, what's up, guys? So this is a quick video to show you how to reprogram your TPMS sensors on a Chevy truck. This is a Chevy Traverse, 2018 Chevy Traverse, and these are the new sensors that I bought. Bought them on Amazon. I paid like almost $40 for the 4 set instead of paying like $150 each at the dealership. So I just got them installed. I went to a tire shop nearby and I just got them installed. So now I have to just program them. So I'm gonna need this. This is the the device that we're gonna use to program all 4 tires. We're gonna turn it on. We're gonna go to reset the tire pressure monitor system, and then we're gonna go outside, use this one to get the tires. We're going to use this one to program each of the sensors. So we're going to start with the front left tire. We're going to move to the front right, and then the rear right, and then finally rear left. Okay, so that's the sequence that you have to follow. So let's turn it on. Okay, so you can see I still have the error message. So we're gonna click OK, and then move it to the tire pressure PSI, then press and hold this button until you get the message that says you want to relearn the sensors. You hit yes, and now you hear the beeps on the truck. Now we go outside. And we're gonna put this one near the valve. Turn it on. You hear the beep. Move to the next one. All right, hear the beep. Rear right. Beep. And finally this one. Okay. I got all 4 tires reprogrammed. So now you hear the beep, the 2 beeps on the truck, and there you go. Now you can just look and see if they got a reprogram. This one was a success. As you can see, these tires are different. They have different tire pressure. I'm gonna have to adjust it, but that's it. That's how simple it is to reprogram this TPMS sensors on a Chevy truck. All right, hope you like it.